student. Today we are going to study computer network, and today topic is topology. So first of all, what is physical topology or what is topology? The term physical topology refers to the way in which a network is laid out physically. It means the physical arrangement of the computer system or the node which is connected to each other via a communication medium is called topology. And there are 4 types of basic topology are there, and we are going to study about how many types of topology. We will study what types of connection are there. There are 2 types of connection. First one is point-to-point connection and second one is multi-point connection. Point-to-point connection means a point-to-point connection provides a dedicated link between 2 devices. This is shown in this figure. There are only 2 devices is connected via a communication medium. Is called the point-to-point connection. And the multi-point connection means a multi-point connection is the one which is more than 2 specific devices share a single link. There also is one is mainframe and one link is shared to the another station. Multiple devices can share a via one link is called the multi-point connection, and 2 devices is connected through a single link is called the point-to-point connection. Okay, so first we will study first topology which is mesh topology. So in mesh topology, every device has dedicated point-to-point link to every other device. It means 2 devices is connected via a single link. So what is mesh topology? In this topology, each and every computer system or the node is directly connected with each other. Every node is directly connected through each other. So we can send the data to the destination node. We can send the data to the destination node without going to the intermediate node. So what is the advantage and disadvantage in this topology? It is the use of dedicated link guaranteed each of the connection carry out own data load, thus the eliminating the traffic problem that occur when the links must share by the multiple devices. It is the very good topology to send the private information or the message directly. All nodes are associated with each other nodes, so we can it provide the point-to-point connection, and multiple devices can send and receive the data simultaneously. Multiple devices can send or receive the data simultaneously. And what are the disadvantages? It is very difficult to add or remove some new node because each and every computer is directly connected through each other. So it is very difficult to here add some new node or remove some new node. Or it is the installation charge is very expensive because it's the point-to-point connection and the all device is connected through via each other device. So is the installation charge is very expensive. And another one disadvantage is the mesh topology related to the amount cable because every device must connect it to each other device. Okay, and there was about by mesh topology. Now we can see what is star topology. In star topology, each device has dedicated point-to-point link only to a central controller, usually called hub. In this diagram, you can see the star topology there. In star topology, all nodes are connected with a central device, is called hub, and sharing the data is only possible through the hub. It means when we can send the data or we can receive the data, only it's possible through this hub. This means this node is send the data to that node. It's through the sharing in this hub. So here is the what is the advantage? It's broadcast all the information, all the messages, because in this hub this can share the data, all the nodes which is connected to this hub. So it's broadcast the messages, and the hub is less expensive due to the cable. There are no more than another cable is there. Easy to connect a new node without affecting the rest of the network. We can easily connect another nodes, or we can easily remove in this node without the hampering network. And if one node is failed, then it would not be failure the entire network. If in mesh topology, if one node is failed, another connection or new node can add or remove is too much difficult. But in star topology, if one node is failed, we can easily remove to this node. So what are the main disadvantage of this topology, star topology? One disadvantage is main, if the entire hub is failure, then my entire network will be failed. In star topology, we must require a network device, a hub or switch or etc. If the hub is failure, entire network will be failed. And we cannot send the private data. And if two nodes want to share the data, it's only possible through this hub. If two nodes can share the data, any other nodes does not receive the data, it's only possible through this hub. So here is what is hub. It's a hub topology, a star topology. So next one is bus topology. Bus topology, this is the multi-point connection, bus topology. The bus topology, one long cable act as a single communication channel, and all devices are connected to this cable. This is the single cable, and all the devices are connected to this cable. So it is mainly simple as topology. Most simple topology is called the bus topology, and this link or this shareable link is called backbone in this topology. So it is advantage are we can easily add or remove the new node in this network. The second one is required only one cable, and it is less expensive, and also it is broadcast the all messages each other device to connect it through this cable, and it is any device is failure, there will be the no effect to this network, as well as the star topology. And main disadvantage in this topology is if the cable is failure, then the entire network will be failed. And the message are broadcast, so we cannot send the private messages, and it take more time to pass the messages from one place to another place. Means this node is send the data to that node. It's only possible through this cable, and is send the information through this node and thereafter in this node. So it take much more time to pass the information to one node to the another node. And this topology, data is transmitted only one direction. Okay, so here is the number of cables. N number of cables are there, and one is where the shareable device. So here is number of cables are there. How much time of number of cable? N plus 1 number of cables are required to this topology. And last one is ring topology. In ring topology, each device has a dedicated point-to-point connection with only two devices on other side of it. Here is the picture of ring topology. It is the in ring topology, each node is strongly connected with the adjacent node, and it's forming a ring. Each node connected to their adjacent node, and it's connected through a ring. And what is the advantage? It's form a strong network. Each and every node can share with another node connected through ring topology. Its transmitted rate of the data is very speed, and data sent through ring topology will be broadcast. So there is the advantages are there, and some disadvantages are there. It is very difficult to add some new node, and if we want send the data from source to the destination, then data will be unnecessary passed through all the node. And a single point of failure, that means the entire network goes down. If this node is failed, that the entire network will be goes down. And it is very difficult to recover if any particular node is not work properly, and we cannot send the private messages. And here the number of cable is required, n plus 1 number of cable is required, a number of cable is there, and one cable is for the shareable device. Okay, thank you. Here is about topology. Thank you everyone.